Hello there, my dear friends. Here is Vladimir, and I welcome you on the Russian Traders channel.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
So before we move on, make sure you leave a thumbs up because you definitely don't want to miss my future videos, and make sure you are subscribed as well. Get ready. Well, let's open a sell trade here at the moment. What's happening over here? We are on the middle line, okay? And middle line of the channel is a very strong resistance level for the price right now. So basically, we couldn't break through it, and we start to pull back. You already see it by this very first red candle appearing right now. Pretty obvious situation over here. That's why basically the option is down at the moment, guys. So you need to make notes for these situations. If you are a beginner, especially, make notes. Try to memorize them, because this situation is very clear and obvious, and this one will definitely, you will face this kind of situations many times on your way of becoming a real trader. Okay, so yeah, we got our first candle over here appeared already, and we need to wait a little bit, I guess, until we get our first trade closed with plus profits, which is very good. Yeah, the price very strongly fluctuates over here because we are on the high volatility markets, and yeah, first trade close, 135 bucks. This is just the beginning. Get ready and fasten your seatbelts. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Let's set the amount and open a sell trade. So according to the MACD indicator right now, we are in a downtrend over here at the moment, and therefore we consider we consider here mainly short candles right now. What can I say? And we consider short trades here right now, and yeah, we also failed to break through the middle line of the channel. As you can see, pretty similar situation, I can say, from some point of view, because here we also have this middle line of the channel, which is very strong, very strong resistance level for us at the moment, and we had not enough power to break through it. That's why basically right now we will see the trend going down and the option going down. So yeah, that's basically what is happening right now over here. The price is still oscillating, and guys, please, if you lack of some knowledge, or if you lack of some knowledge about indicators, or if you want just to start but haven't yet, trade closed. Great. Yes, we got a trade closed. Very good. Let's move on to the next. Okay, yeah, while we are picking up the right pair, let me quickly tell you this one thing. So before, if you're just on your way, or at the start on your way of becoming also successful trader, guys, make sure you hit that link below this video, because there, 1 second, yeah, great, I will explain it right now, because there you will find many useful information, but what's more important, you will find signals that are happening there every day, absolutely free signals for trade. That's the signals I'm mostly confident about. Okay, so give it a try, hit that link below, and let's talk about what's happening over here right now. Here we have the instrument, it has gone into the overbought zone right now. We were on top, and right now we expect further decline to remove it, to go down from the overbought zone. So the option is down basically right now. Okay, so yeah, pretty obvious situation. If you take a look at the MACD, you will see the confirmation of what I'm saying. And yeah, you see this very big red candle appearing right now, which is telling us that the overbought zone is really over here, and we are trying to go down from it. Yeah, trade closed, 500, not bad really. Let's move on to the next one. So let's set the amount. Okay, we're opening a buy trade over here. Now, the middle line, it was a very strong resistance level. If you take a look at what was happening before we entered here with the trade, it was a very strong level of resistance. Here the price tested it several times. I'm always telling you guys that price, before breaking out through some level of support or resistance, the price tests it several times, and at this time we broke through this line, and it became a very strong support level. Okay, and the price will not definitely go down, so we expect a further uptrend, and MACD is also in favor of long over here if you take a look at the bottom. So pretty obvious situation. Make notes, make sure you remember what's happening right now. Very clear here situation, just like from the book, you know. Okay, so we need just to be patient and to wait a little bit more. until we got another one trade closed with plus profits. Yeah, we got it. 900 bucks. Yeah, that's good. That's what I was talking about. That was just the beginning, guys. So make sure you leave your thumbs up if you like what's happening there on this screen, because we have several trades in front of us yet. Okay, let's move on to the next. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Let's set the amount 939. And we are opening a buy trade here right now. Why? Here pretty obvious situation. Well, first of all, we have this middle line over here. And this middle line right now for us is a very strong support level, because you see we tested it at 1520, alright, but we rebounded from it. And basically right now we have a tendency to growth. Yes, the price is still growing. As you can see, these green candles are appearing at the moment. If you take a look at the MACD, you will also see that it is a pretty obvious indicator right now for the growth. And yeah, in combination, these two factors are giving us a very strong position to enter with a buy trade here. So basically, yeah, another one obvious and clear situation over here. Right now, what may happen after that? After that, we may reach another one maximum, for example, and the price will reverse from it, because it will be a very strong resistance level, and we will go back to this middle line of the channel, and then the price will test it maybe once or twice, and it will break down through this line. Quite possible situation. But here at the moment, what do we see is still the upgoing trend, despite that the candle right now is red. Let that fact not fear you, because here, yeah, we got trade closed basically. That's what I was talking about. Plus 1700 bucks. Well, I love my job, what can I say? I love my job. If you are still thinking about becoming trader or not, guys, you should take into consideration all the risks that may happen to you. But here, that's when the risks pay off. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Okay, let's move on to the next. Let's set the amount 1784, and right now we are opening a sell trade over here. What can I say, guys? Here another one situation. Here the asset is in an overbought condition already, and we expect a further decline right now. So we will see in the nearest future the option going down. Okay, and yeah, it's strong overbought, very strong overbought. If you take a look at the MACD, it will become pretty clear for you. Yeah, so basically nothing else to add, even because here we are in a strong overbought zone, and the market will definitely need to cool off, so we will see the option going down right now. And while we are waiting for this one trade to be closed, let me remind you that in my Telegram channel, the link you will find down below this video, you will find you will find tons of useful information. What's more important, you will find signals, daily signals for trading, okay? But what's more important, it's absolutely free. So my goal for you guys is to help you with your education, because when I was starting out, 3,000 bucks sorry, but the trade closed with 3,000 bucks, and that's always very happy moments. Okay, so yeah, because no one was helping me when I was starting out. Okay, I was studying it all by myself, unless there's some moments when I found the mentors and stuff. I studied it by myself, and I know how hard it is, guys. So my goal is to help you out. That's why I basically hit the link below, absolutely free information. I hope you will find it useful. Let's take another one. 3,000 over here. We're opening a sell trade. What can I say? The instrument is in the overbought zone right now as well. Pretty similar situation to the previous one. That's why I'm telling you guys, make notes, you know, write it down, because these situations are repeating time by time, day by day, and once you face another one similar situation, you will know what to do. Here another one similar situation over here, and we see sideways. Well, yeah, we can't break down as well as up right now strongly, but taking into account the oscillator readings, we choose to short right now over here. Okay, and the overbought zone, of course, overbought zone. So we need to wait a bit, just wait a bit, and be patient. Patience is very important in trading profession. Okay, let's just wait. Great, trade close, 5,790 bucks. What I've been telling you at the very beginning, that was just the start, guys, and here we already have more than 6,000 at the moment. That's not bad, really not bad. My bear will be glad to know that he will not be hungry this time. Okay, let's move on to the next one trade. Okay, let's set the amount 3,000, and we are opening a sell trade over here, guys. If you take a look at all these situations happening in the last time, I mean this trade, previous couple trades, they are pretty similar, because here we have the upgoing trend, and we enter here at the very moment when the price should reverse, because we are in an overbought zone. These moments we need for practice, well, one by one, and I guess it's very good that we're picking up the right moments. Very similar situation, guys, so make notes and try to memorize them, because the next time you will face this kind of situations, you will definitely remind about what was happening over here on your screen, and you will definitely know what to do. So we are expecting here to show it right now, and we just need to wait a bit as well. I don't even know what to add over here, just be patient, and that is it. Yeah, trade close, 3,000 bucks, pretty simple and easy, and I guess we may check out one more, maybe. I guess we will check it out, one more trade. Let's move on straight to it. Alright, here we're opening a sell trade, another one similar situation, but not quite similar as the previous ones, because here we have another one, MACD indicator is happening over here, but still, what can I say, that this one candle, if you take a look at the previous situations over here, these candles were pretty small. Right now this one green candle is a abnormal division, so maybe the strong buyer entered the market, who knows, but it is not normal behavior right now over here, and definitely we have a very strong level of the middle line at first, very strong level of the middle line. That's why basically that may not happen, so that we reached from the down line of the channel to the upper line of the channel like this. No, the market definitely will correct itself and need to cool off, and to correct the behavior of the price. That's why basically we picked another one cool moment when to open a sell trade, and we got the trade closed, basically 5,700 bucks. Well, how do you like it? How do you like it, guys? Leave your comments if you like, or if you don't like, who knows. Leave your comments if you have any questions. Just ask your questions over here, and let's move on to the next trade. Alright, we are opening right now a buy trade over here. Here another one situation. We just reached the bottom level of our channel, alright, and we rebounded from it. That's quite normal, because this level is a very strong level of support. But what will happen next? Here the next one level that we may try out is the middle line of the channel, which will be a very strong resistance level. And here, while we are moving on towards this level, we definitely have the option going up. That's quite obvious situation right now over here, and another one cool moment that we picked up to enter with a buy trade. Yes, the price is still fluctuating, and that's normal. Okay, that's high volatility markets, I'm always telling you about it, but overall the trend is going up, and basically we need just to wait a bit until we get our final, I guess, trade closed with plus profits, and that would be really nice. That would be really nice. Alright. Yeah, great. Trade close, 3,800 bucks. Well, guys, that was Vladimir, Russian Trader channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the link down below to my Telegram channel, because there you'll find huge tons of useful information, and what's more important, signals for trading absolutely free. So make sure you hit that link, make sure you leave your thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed not to miss my future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.